Is he going to deliver speed? Oh, attack!
You're done.
This is exotic.
Oh, it's cold. I love you.
Oh, her nail is in my face.
What are you looking at?
Your cat that annoys King Julian.
King Julian! King Julian!
Stop.
Hello. Hello.
Hey.
So let me in, open your house.
Oh my god.
Gigi. Aw, you got scared.
Is that he doesn't know that I'm talking to him, and then I start talking like this.
Hey, spicy.
To see him laugh about it, that wasn't cool, and I just thought it was important.
Hi, baby. Please don't bite me.
No, boy.
Back feet like this here. This. Oh, hell.
His face.
Real. Explain this.
Are you embarrassed?
No.
Yeah, I love you.
You know what you did, Shane?
Oh. Hello? Phoenix?
I know you're about to bite me.
My little baby, we're besties.
The cat got his fucking head stuck in the chair.
Can you hold the fucking light straight?
Chemicals in here. Nice long body, perfect form, beautiful teeth. It's you!
Wait!
Behind you!
Oh my god!
Oh my gosh.
lasagna is being fed like lasagna like 3 times.
Alright, Ray. My boy.
Братан, это немножко не то. Вот здесь. Спасибо.
What on earth is going on?
Look, he's so happy to see you. Look.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh.
Nice, Ron.
I sneezed. Oh, I'm not allowed.
Don't eat my plants. Don't eat my plants. My Cheetos! What are you doing?
Nothing there. What's wrong? О, ты тут, здорово.